three reasons I chose the GC Premier Company. First, ang magkakaroon ka ng sarili sa print na nakapangalan sa iyo. Second, hindi mo na kailangan ng physical store kasi pwede na gawin anytime, anywhere. Third, weekly income, fast-moving product, and part-time lang ito gagawin. So if you want to know more about the GC Premier Company, 3 ways to earn. First, retailing, wholesaling, dropshipping. If interested, pay me and see you in place.